guys, this is Vidushi. I hope you guys are doing well, and today's video is actually going to be an accessory haul, which is because I love wearing accessories, and these days you must be observing कि ये dainty jewelry बहुत ज़्यादा fashion में है, बहुत ज़्यादा in है, and a lot of people wear, you know, these very delicate and subtle jewelry which you can just pair it up with anything like your daily wear, formal wear, casual wear, anything and everything. So I'm loving this kind of jewelry, and I thought why not make a video on it. And the best part is that I've always loved wearing accessories because I've sort of had a love-hate relationship with my weight, and the problem with your weight is कि अगर आप कुछ कपड़े खरीदने जाते हो तो कभी टाइट होते हैं, कभी लूज होते हैं, but the best thing about buying an accessory is that वो कभी आपको टाइट या लूज नहीं हो सकती. It will always look good. That's where my love for accessories stems from. And so this is going to be an accessory haul about these two brands which I came across on Instagram. So yes, I mean, without wasting any more time, let's start with the haul. So firstly, I'm going to start by showing you guys the stuff that I bought from Just Lil Things. It's a very small brand that has recently been started by this lady called Deepika, and I must say that उनके efforts दिखते हैं in the orders, in the packaging and things like that, because I'd like to show you the packaging in which the order came in. It's really nice कि इतना बड़ा brand नहीं है, फिर भी they have kind of paid a lot of attention on the packaging and customer satisfaction and things like that, which is very contrary to the other brand, which is Fab Couture. So anyway, so starting with the first product, I'm going to talk about this butterfly neck piece that I have here. This I got from Just Little Things, and I got it only for 199 rupees. You can wear it as a statement piece. You can pair it up with another small neck piece, like a small pendant or something like that. The quality I wouldn't say is very good, but it's decent compared to the price. I mean, it's a decent piece. You can definitely, try it once, and I'm sure you wouldn't be disappointed. And uske saath I also bought these pair of earrings. Again, they're very delicate and very cute. I really like the pattern, the color and everything. So again, I got this one as well for 199. And I really liked the texture. मेरे पास ऐसी कोई earrings थे नहीं. I mean, I don't know whether to call them earrings or studs because it's a mix of both. But yeah, it's a very unique design. Yeah, so these are the two pieces that I bought that I'm wearing. उसके अलावा भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. Like we have this very cute and very delicate heart pendant. It's a very small heart. I just loved it so much. It's so delicate, it's so subtle, and you can wear it alone on a simple t-shirt, or you can even pair it with another delicate neck piece, and I'm sure it will look beautiful. I again got this for 199, so it's very cheap. The quality of the chain and the pendant is not bad. It's really good. I mean, 199 में आपको और क्या ही मिलेगा. I really love this piece. It's very, I don't know, like it's so subtle and so pretty. Moving on, we have another neck piece, and it is also a heart pendant. So I'm just going to open it and show you guys. मैंने ये पहले नहीं खोला था because I wanted to show you the packaging again. And इसका cost भी is 199, but just look at the packaging it has come in. I mean, I really like the detailing and the effort that these guys have put in. Also, yes, here's the pendant, and I've been eyeing this pendant since a really long time, and I have seen this pendant on a lot of other websites as well. I really like this. I feel it has a very vintage vibe, and I really love the color. It's very cute. You can, again, pair it up with almost anything and everything. You can wear it with this necklace, or you can just wear it, as a statement piece. So yes, it's very pretty, and I think you should definitely buy this, and buy this from this particular website. Alright, then we have these square hoops or diamond hoops. I don't know what shape it is, but again, a very nice buy. Yeah, so these are the earrings, and these are actually matte finish. This is something that really attracted me about these hoops, and also these are square and not your circular hoops for a change, so I thought it will be a good addition to my hoops collection. I love wearing hoops because hoops are something जो आप किसी के भी साथ कभी भी कहीं भी कैसे भी पहन सकते हो. So these are for 249, but I think they're worth the price because they're a little heavier as compared to the other jewelry which I've bought, which is actually lighter, and the quality, you can see the difference in the quality. They're worth a buy because the quality is amazing, the polish is amazing, and yeah, you should definitely go for this. Alright, so my last purchase from this particular website are these earrings, which are again matte finish, and I got these for about 349 rupees, and I must say कि मुझे थोड़े ज़्यादा expensive लगे as compared to the other products that I've bought. Also, I don't feel that they're worth the money because I had really liked the design जो मैंने online देखा था, but when I wore them, I mean मुझे कुछ खास नहीं लगा या मुझे इतना अलग नहीं लगा और मुझे frankly इतना appeal नहीं किया. So I'm not very happy with this buy. But if you guys like it, then you can definitely go ahead and buy this. I mean, the links are going to be in the description box below, so you can definitely check out this particular product and buy if you like. But मेरे हिसाब से उतने अच्छे नहीं. Alright, now moving on to what I bought from Fab Couture. So here's another neck piece that I bought, and it is again a butterfly neck piece. As you can see, I'm obsessed with butterfly these days because I recently saw this K-drama which was known as Nevertheless, and usme the main character's name is Nabi, and Nabi means butterfly in Korean. So yeah, I'm obsessing over Nevertheless, I'm obsessing over butterflies. I know this is TMI, but yeah, still whatever. So this is the neck piece that I bought, and I got this for about 549 rupees, guys. I mean, it's totally not worth the money. The packaging is not that great. The quality is okay-ish. I mean, there's no difference between the quality of this neck piece and this neck piece, but there's definitely a huge difference in the price. I have bought this and I don't think I'm going to return this because I don't really want to, you know, go through the whole procedure, and I'm sure पहनने पे उतना बुरा नहीं लगेगा because I'm really liking this pendant and the color and everything. But अगर आप इसको थोड़ा पास से देखोगे तो it's not that great. It's definitely not worth rupees 549 for sure. So yeah, but then again, this is I think just for my obsession over butterflies and nabis. And lastly, we have a set of rings that I bought from Fab Couture. So here they are. So a set of about 8 rings, जिसमें से 2 मैंने पहनी हुई हैं अभी, and बाकी की ये rings हैं जो I got for about 399 rupees. And again, okay, not bad, but actually bad because if you see, इसका shape ही पूरा बिगड़ा हुआ है, and I don't know how am I supposed to even wear this. So it is definitely not worth rupees 399. So this is the last buy from Fab Couture. And the funny part is, guys, कि Fab Couture से मैंने सिर्फ 2 products खरीदे, and the total amount was about 1100 or 1200. And just Little Things से मैंने कुछ 10 या 8-10 products खरीदे, and again the total was about 1200 and 1100. So just see the difference in their pricing, and even the quality is just the same. I mean, if not worse, then it's just the same, and packaging तो है ही नहीं Fab Couture. So yeah, I mean, you can definitely go ahead and buy stuff from, you know, these Instagram handles and these small website, and you know, you should definitely promote small scale businesses and things like that. But then again, you have to be very careful about the quality and the pricing and everything, because at the end of the day, आप बेवकूफ नहीं बनना चाहते हो, right? So that is something which is very important. And one tip that I would like to give you guys is that if you're trying something for the first time, then just try by ordering one product. Just see उसकी quality कैसी है, and then buy you know, other products from that particular website. Because मेरी तरह नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने 2 products खरीद लिए and I'm now not happy with either of them. So yes guys, that's all from me for today, and this was the haul. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, you know what you have to do. You have to press the like button and like my video and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to purchase these items, then I have mention the links in the description box below. So आप जा सकते हो, खरीद सकते हो, पहन सकते हो. And I'll be back next week with another video of mine. Till then, you guys take care and bye.